Hey guys, this is Rick at Elijah Tooling. I'm going to introduce you to a new system today, a new work holding system. What it does is it combines a legacy components, which is the T-slot itself, and our patent pending holding and locating products. So we've got a few examples here that I'm going to go through, but first of all I just want to show you the basis of the system. So we've got, I'm going to start with the fastener. Just like our other captive fasteners, the stud comes up into the piece to be held. This particular product incorporates our new quarter turn system, so it comes up easy and fast. And this is a 16 millimeter, by the way, a 16 millimeter T-slot. We have it in 18 millimeters as well. And then we have a locator that is used in this fixture, and so there's multiple ways to locate, but this particular one is for location in the slots. So, and they come with O-rings on them. The O-ring is used to create some friction in the slot if you want it to move slowly down the slot, but I know that sometimes the operators just like to slide them down the slots. So you can remove the O-ring and do it that way. The way this works, really simple product, but we've got two of our JXZERTZ retractable dowel pins that work together in it. So you can see the bottom, we just screw this down, and what it's going to do is it's going to locate in these little divots that are in the fixture. And the divots are precisely made, and they're precisely found on 1-inch centers. So it'll locate in the divot, and then we will use this JXZERTZ on top, and it will locate at the same location as the divot. So that's how that works. I'm going to show you how we quick change this fixture. This is a manual machine, obviously, and they've been using it for drilling something, but we quick change this so that if we want to do something else on this machine, we can quickly move it off and then put it back on. It's exactly on center, exactly where we want it every time. So I'm going to get a little help moving it off, but let me just show you. We're going to unscrew the fasteners. And then we're going to take the plate off. Now I'm going to show you what's underneath, how it looks down there. All right, let's see if we can move that off. Thank you, Jared. Had to get the guy with the muscles. All right, so as you can see now, you can see these fasteners that I described to you before, and then you can see the retractable dowel pins, the JXZERTZ, that were used to locate it. So you've got multiple locations for the JXZERTZ, every 1 inch, but also down in the slot you can see that there are locations as well. So to show you how this works, but we're not going to locate anything with it, but I am going to show you how we do this. So we put it in the slot, slide it down to where we want it. We use our little retractable dowel pin in the bottom to locate, and then we now have hard location. So you can see that we can locate in the slot, or we can locate in all of these multi-purpose hole locations as well. That's the benefit of such a system. The slots make it possible for debris to come off very rapidly, but the other thing is, unlike our other modular systems, there's not a lot of hardware in it. So you don't have 100 fasteners in here. You only have the ones that you need to hold the part, and that's a cost savings to you. So I'm going to just show you one more thing. The system was designed specifically to use our EZE-VISE Ultimates, and so I've got a pair set up here. But another thing I wanted you to notice, we can set them up in both directions, and they work exactly the same way. Let's see, this one's actually not held. You can see you got the JXZERTZ, you got the fasteners. It's simple, very easy to engage these, and use it in this system. There we go. Same idea over here. This is the adjustable. You might recall that the adjustable has a base on it that allows it, depending on how the JXZERTZ is locating, to either slide freely or to actually be held fast. So you can actually use the adjustable as a fixed vise. You can see we did that here. But again, it's really simple to bring the T-slot fastener up into the vise and engage the vices that way. I think I've covered the benefits of this system. Bottom line, it's a T-slot system, you're familiar with that, but it incorporates our patent pending products. The idea, the concept itself is patent pending, been sent to the patent office. But we think that it'll be able to save you some money because you won't have to buy all the hardware like we use in our modular fixtures. If you like the idea, give us a call. Thanks. By the way, I forgot something. This fastener is made to go in any 16mm T-slot. And we also have one for 18mm right now as well. So you can use this in your T-slot table to hold things. Thanks.